Hey guys, so a lot of people have been asking me, is it the right time to invest in on Facebook right now? Or should you wait? Or for what reason is the stock spiking the way it is right now? And if we look at here at the price chart, we can see that they were worth around $218 before the coronavirus crash. Then after the crash, they were down all the way at 140. Now, for a tech stock, this honestly wasn't too bad of a crash as they only lost around $70 of value. And as you can see from this incredible chart, they've had a crazy V-shaped recovery and are now almost at the price they had before the crash. They're worth around $214, and this is actually as a result of their earnings that came out this week. And you can see that 45 minutes ago, CNET actually said that Facebook saw a strong user growth amid the coronavirus pandemic. And similarly to Snapchat, this stock relies heavily on its advertising revenue, which has ultimately been positive, even though people have been thinking that the coronavirus was going to very much hurt people who relied on advertising revenue. And you can see here that the last three articles that are posted from Facebook shows that they are actually doing very positive things for their platform. They added a free group chat feature called Messenger Rooms to compete with Zoom, and they also redesigned their main page, facebook.com. And additionally, it's not stated here, but they released a new live streaming platform to compete with platforms such as Twitch or Mixer from Microsoft. And I heard that it's actually doing very well and showing a lot of new user growth. And because of this, Facebook is very much a growth stock, and they've been able to revolutionize their platform, even though you can see that they're spiking right now. And even though the platform is meant for older people, they actually have a lot of younger folks coming on the platform and creating new accounts. And especially during this coronavirus time, there's been tons of new user growth and a lot of people who are excited to see what the future holds for Facebook. You can see that in the last week, it's actually insane to look at their chart here. They were worth around $180, and as a result of the positive news from Snapchat, they jumped around $15 because it showed that advertisers were having strong revenues, a growth here even during the coronavirus. And after their earnings, which I think was released yesterday or today, they have spiked over $15. You can see that they were estimated to make around $1.74 a share, and their actual was $1.71. So this is actually insane because the coronavirus is expected to really hurt advertiser revenue. And instead, Facebook has almost hit at that expected mark, even though they've had so much trials during these times. And because a lot of people are saying that the platform is for older people, people really expected this company to drop off hard and not be doing too well during the coronavirus, where many millennials are at home and using these type of social services and social media. But however, you're able to see here that they have been going crazy in the last week and they've been doing very well during the coronavirus. So what do I predict to Facebook? I feel that this is a stock that since they've been adding so many new features and we see that they've had strong growth and they have strong growth potential in the future, they actually hold like 70% of the internet's social media accounts, which is actually ridiculous. And I feel that they could jump all the way to the 250 level very easily in the near future because as you can see they've just already recovered and the S&P is going so strong. It hasn't even hit levels before for that it was before the crash, but it's just been going up like crazy and it's already almost at those levels, and this just shows that people are very bullish on the economy recovering and they're ready to see strong growth from stocks such as Facebook and other tech stocks that have been losing during the coronavirus. And like I said earlier, this stock barely lost any money during the coronavirus crash, which is actually very rare to see for stocks about tech or stocks that have to do with social media. And yeah, I just feel that this stock has a very strong future ahead of it. And in the near future, I would say hold on because they'll probably have a small pullback as a result of this news after earnings passes. I feel that they could pull back all the way to the $200 level. However, once people see that $200 level, I feel that this stock has everywhere to go but the moon. Like they literally are going to skyrocket and you don't want to be on the losing end. You don't want to be putting on puts and especially not invested in the stock. This is a really strong one to invest into, and I would largely recommend it if you're going to hold a stock for the next year or so. When I moved to California in around the last 5 years, they were literally worth like 20 cents. Like look at this, $80, 80 cents. And now after all this news and everything that's happened, they're worth $220. So this is absolutely ridiculous growth for any stock, and you can see that the chart here looks really good. And I feel that they have a lot of growth potential coming into the future as they've added a lot of new services onto their platform and into their into their environment of like Facebook products, and they have a lot of room to grow in the future. So good luck and thank you.